The process of fostering trust is a bit like building a house. You need to start with a solid foundation, then lay the bricks one by one. From time to time, you must stand back and ask yourself, is it strong and steady enough? Hi, my name is Nikhil. I am the Chief Operations Officer at Harappa, and I'll be telling you about the importance of fostering trust. Now, think of the house as the sum total of your career. All your professional roles, your co-workers, your clients, and stakeholders. The bricks are the pieces of your personality, the way you communicate, lead, empathize, listen, think, and deliver on your promises. As your house grows, you need to stop and examine it. Find out if there are holes through which the rain and storm may get in. Figure out the best strategies to repair and recover the trust that may have been eroded. Fostering trust among family, friends, colleagues, and employers is a matter of lifelong learning. You need to walk the talk, today, tomorrow, always.